Okay, this wants us to evaluate expressions, and they tell us A is 2/3. So for part A, it's 24 times A, which is 2/3. And I prefer to, if I want to do this, to cancel, right? So instead of doing 24 times 2 and then dividing, I'd rather make the 24 and the 3 and 8 and a 1, right? I think that's quicker. So I get 8 times 2 is 16 for A. For B, you can do that here, it's 3 times A, 2/3. And let me just show, it's really 3 over 1 times 2 over 3, right? So again, I think it's easiest if you cancel these, right? That becomes 1 and 1. And you get 2, right? 2 over 1. So that's 2, A was 16. Now C is A over 0, and anything over 0 is undefined, so we don't even need to do any work for that. That's undefined in mathematics. And D is 0 over A, and 0 over anything is 0, so we don't even need to do any work for that. And we're done, that problem.